So we're going to go over how to use Kling AI, and the main features are going to be the image generator, the video generator, as well as sound generator. So for the image editor, just click on the image generation tool. If you're on the free plan, you have to use one of these older models such as Colors 1.5 or 1.0, and then you enter in your prompt. For example, I did this one right here, which was a turtle standing on a computer, and it generated me 4 images of a realistic turtle standing on what looks like a keyboard. And then the next one is going to be video generation. For this one, I entered a prompt, which was a bird jumping from a table, and it generated me a 5-second clip of a realistic bird. Now this isn't the most perfect, it's not actually jumping off of the table, it's just flapping its wings, but it does a great job at creating some AI content, and it's only going to get better over the long run. Now keep in mind, this is only generated with one of the older models because I'm not on the paid plan, but I anticipate with the paid plan, you're going to have more accurate results. And then, of course, we have sound generation. You can basically upload a video and then it will generate sound for that video. And Kling AI just has a ton of useful features for AI generation.